In this video, I am going to digest everything you need to know about crypto, so that if you wan put your money inside, you go know why you dey put your money, so that you will not be like other people. Number one point before you invest your money in crypto in Nigeria, this number one point, make sure you pay at ten tion to is there is what we call government regulation. You go remember there was a time the Nigerian government banned crypto in Nigeria. A lot of investors panicking. Some of them went to go and remove their money from the bank. Some of them went to go and sell their coin. Some people committed suicide as well because of that issue. So sometimes in crypto, that's what they call government regulation. Government always want to know what is happening in this market. This place that these people are making money, make we go know wetin they dey do for there. Make we know whether the money wey they dey make, whether na legit. So na im they dey call government regulation. There was also a ban in crypto in Nigeria back then, like during Buhari regime. There was a ban in crypto in Nigeria. I think the current government came in and changed it. Now there's no longer banning in crypto in Nigeria, so you can actually invest your money in crypto. So the number two things wey you suppose know: crypto dey help us escape inflation, because in Nigeria our currency is going down. So for you to be able to secure your money, secure your funds, some people put their money into crypto while some people put their money in share. So it depends on where you wan put your money, but just have it in mind that we are actually in inflation. We are having inflation in Nigeria. So the money dey help us dey preserve our money. Some of us wey get loved ones abroad, you wan send money or you wan receive money from abroad, e dey help us to receive money and send money abroad. The problem wey crypto dey solve for Nigeria is the problem still dey with us. So crypto dey really help us to solve some of all these problems. Now, how to invest wise? If you're a Nigerian person and you want to invest in crypto, these are the things you need to look out for. First of all, no dey greedy. Don't be greedy and don't pack all your money and put in one basket. Make sure you distribute your portfolio. Invest money in different portfolio. So if this one is going down, the other one is going up. So make sure you distribute your money in different funds. And then before you invest your money, no dey follow people dey shout, this coin dey go up, bitcoin dey go up, you go carry your money put. No, it's even better when you put your money when the coin is down, so that when the coin go up, you will make profit. So no dey follow people, no dey follow wetin people dey talk. Before you invest your money, make sure you do your research. Even me sef wey dey talk, before you invest your money, make sure you do your research before you carry your money go invest in crypto. No dey follow wetin people dey talk in crypto. Then the last one, the future of crypto, you can see that most of the problem that crypto is solving in Nigeria, the problem still dey with us. So inflation, the downfall of naira and everything, all these things are still with us. So people are looking for a way to safeguard their money, to grow their money and to preserve their money. So crypto is another alternative where you can do that. So the future in Nigeria, the future of crypto in Nigeria is very, very bright. So if you are putting your money in crypto, like I said, make sure you do your research before you put your money in crypto. Those people that usually do their research before they carry their money go put it to crypto, na them dey make profit from crypto. No dey follow crowd. If your friend, your brother tell you say make you come put your money for crypto, go and do your own research. Even if it's your pastor that tells you, go and do your own research, so that you will know before you go and put your money inside it. So if you learn something from this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video, and make sure you drop your comment. If you have any questions, I am going to answer it in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video and stay blessed.